Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, i-share ko sa inyo itong recipe ko today na steamed tofu with the minced shrimp. Ayan, on the top. Ayan, minarinate ko na po yan ng asin, sesame oil, and pepper powder. Yan, saka cornstarch para magano. Ayan, so yan, nilagay ko na dito sa ating plate para ano na natin, steam. Ayan, yan. I-square natin guys. So, ito na, nilagay ko na po guys yung ating minced shrimp sa top ng ating tofu or bean curd. So ready to steam na. And ang gagawin po natin next is gawa tayo ng sauce. Oyster sauce, light soy sauce, and then yan guys, light soy sauce, and ito light soy sauce. So yan, dagdagan natin ng tubig. Then, papakuluan na natin yan guys. Then, after na kumulo, pwede na natin lagyan ng sticky para lumapot. Yun, ilagay natin yung cornstarch. So, ito natin guys, yung ating steamed tofu with the minced shrimp. So, gumagawa na tayo ng sauce. Ayan guys. Ayan. Yung cornstarch po yan. Palaputin natin. So yan guys, ibuhos natin dito yung sauce naman. Yan guys, salamat na marami sa inyong panonood. Bye bye.